Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start this chapter number 8, Knowing Internet. Internet nowadays everybody is using. So I need not to explain what exactly the internet is and what can you do with the help of internet. Because right now, these days, we are doing a lot of things with the help of internet. We are even totally dependent upon internet. Let's say if you have to go somewhere and you don't know by which route you should go, then you will open a navigation system in your car or in your mobile. So that navigation system will help you to find out the best route to reach to that place, right? So this is happening because of the internet only. If you have to create a project of your science and maths or any other subject, then you will take definitely the help of internet to uh, compile the content or to compile or to maybe to download the photos or videos related to that project, right? So we are totally dependent upon internet for everything. In every minute we are making some search on the internet. Maybe it's a time, maybe it is a weather report, maybe it is for searching any topic or anything. We are totally dependent. Even we are taking the classes through internet, right? Or if you have to buy gifts or right, like in these days of pandemic, we are doing online purchasing also of grocery of for your home. So आप जो भी आप घर में grocery items मंगवा रहे हो, that also, for that also you are taking the help of internet, right? So these days internet has left a huge impact in our life. It has brought all information or knowledge to our fingertips. Now, there is nothing like if somebody will ask you a question, or even if I'll ask you a questions, then you can directly search it on internet and you can provide me that information. So everything is on your fingertip. We can shop through internet, we can pay bills through internet, we can do online courses, we can study, we can find jobs, we are doing work from home. Your parents must be doing work from home through this internet. So we can promote our business. आप अपनी online advertisement करके अपने products की you can do the advertisements of that. You can post it on Facebook or Instagram, and then you can reach to different people and you can promote your business also through internet, right? So internet is a huge impact in our life, in our daily life, right? What is this internet now? How it becomes the how it is going to connect the whole world? So internet is made up of networks. We can call internet as network of network. छोटे छोटे नेटवर्क होते हैं जिसके थ्रू इंटरनेट बनता है. अब पहले हमें ये समझना होगा कि what is network. There are many examples of network in our daily life, like a road or a railway network. मतलब जब एक रेलवे, जब आप दिल्ली से मुंबई उसको कनेक्ट करते हो तो it becomes a network. So similarly, when you connect one computer to another computer or one device to another device, it becomes a network. तो जब बहुत सारे छोटे 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 नेटवर्क्स कंबाइन होते हैं तो it becomes internet, right? So network is a small group where all the devices are getting connected with each other. It could be in the school. It could be, matlab, if you are connecting all the computers and all the devices of a school or a particular organization, then it becomes network. When we talk on mobile, we are actually on the network. जब आप किसी से phone पे बात करते हो, it means you are using network. In this system, all the mobile handsets are getting connected to the communication tower. आपका मोबाइल और जो जिससे आप बात कर रहे हो उसका मोबाइल, दोनों का मोबाइल जो है वो कम्युनिकेशन टावर से कनेक्ट होता है with the help of unique number. Towers are connected to the other towers within city, और वो जो टावर आपके घर के पास है वो एक दूसरी सिटी के किसी और टावर से कनेक्ट होगा, एंड फाइनली इट बिकम्स अ नेटवर्क. तो एक पर्टिकुलर आपका ग्रुप जो बन जाएगा, एक कनेक्शन जो बन जाएगा दैट इज कॉल्ड एज नेटवर्क। और ऐसे करते करते जब आप एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री को कनेक्ट करते हो, फिर पूरा वर्ल्ड कनेक्ट हो जाता है, तो दिस बिकम्स अ ग्लोबल नेटवर्क, इट बिकम्स अ ग्लोबल नेटवर्क। Special features of network. What are the special features of network? First is, in a network, everything should be connected. So if you are using a network, then everything should be connected in the network. Network are shared by many people. So many people are sharing network, then only it is a network. Otherwise, if you are going to talk to yourself without calling anyone else, then it's not a network. But if you are getting connected to some other people around the country or around the city, then it becomes a network. Now let's talk about computer network. Computer network is the collection of computer or the collection of devices that are interconnected with each other. When all the devices will get interconnected with each other, this is called as computer network. Here I am talking about all devices, including your phone, laptops, tabs, and everything. Not only the computer, not only the desktop computer. Devices in a computer network can be shared by users of the network. Like we can share printer. Like if I'll talk about a school network, जिसको हम local area network भी बोलते हैं. Local area network मतलब जो एक building के अंदर होता है. So if I'll talk about the school network, there we can share printers also. So आपके पास अगर एक printer है and that is in the senior computer lab or junior computer lab, you can share that printer and you can use it from everywhere. You can give command to from every system of that lab or maybe from the other lab also. It totally depends कि आप उसको नेटवर्क में कैसे कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, whether you have given the permission to access that printer in the other areas of your network or not, right? So devices in a computer network can be shared by the users, for example printer. You can also share files, data, and information. Except this, we can also share other files, data, and information which is saved on one computer. I can transfer a file from junior computer lab to senior computer lab, from reception to junior computer lab, from reception to senior computer lab, and so on, because all the devices are connected with each other with the help of network. A computer that is not connected to a network is called as standalone computer. तो ऐसा कंप्यूटर जो कि नेटवर्क से यानी कि इंटरनेट से या नेट लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क से कनेक्टेड नहीं है, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? स्टैंड अलोन कंप्यूटर. इवन आपका मोबाइल फोन, इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी इंटरनेट कनेक्शन in your mobile phone, then we will call it as standalone device. Standalone device मतलब वो अकेली है वो डिवाइस, उसके साथ कोई और डिवाइस कनेक्टेड नहीं है, ठीक है. लेकिन जब किसी का कॉल आएगा तो एट दैट टाइम, बिकॉज योर डिवाइस इज कनेक्टेड टू सम अदर डिवाइस एट दैट टाइम, सो इट विल नॉट बी अ स्टैंड अलोन डिवाइस एट दैट टाइम, क्योंकि वो उस टाइम नेटवर्क पे होगी. Okay, now network is clear to everyone. What is standalone computer? That is also clear. जो computer आपका, अगर आपके घर में कोई desktop computer है which is not connected to the internet and which is not connected to a local area network also, so that computer is called as standalone computer. Now, what is internet? Internet is a collection of computers connected by network cable or through satellite links all over the world. Millions of computers around the world are connected to each other to share information. Thus, it becomes a worldwide network. When you are going to connect, जब हम इंटरनेट से अपना सिस्टम कनेक्ट करते हैं या अपनी डिवाइस कनेक्ट करते हैं, तो it becomes internet. Internet means it means it's a collection of large amount of devices which are connected to share information. For example, now at this time, I am sharing a file which is on my screen, which is saved in my device, but I'm sharing that file with you. You can also read whatever I have opened on my screen. Whatever I'll open, you will be able to read that file also. So it is because of internet, right? So we are connecting. At least total right now there are 20 participants in the class. So it means we are getting connected. 20 participants are able to read this file. So this is because of the internet, right? Now, what are the uses of internet? We are using internet for many different purposes nowadays. So first is education. We are taking our Zoom classes with the help of internet only. We can attend online classes, download books. We can also watch educational videos through internet. For communication purpose, we are talking to our friends, relatives who are living in a different country using video and audio calling, right? Online ticket booking, whatever the tickets you have to book, either it is of plane or a train or a movie or maybe of a trip. So all tickets you can book online these days. You can select your seat of your choice also, and this is called as online ticketing or e-booking you can call. Next is entertainment. We can also use computer for watching movies, playing games, news, and so many things we can do with the help of internet. Online shopping. These days we are purchasing grocery, foods, clothes, and everything through internet only. Online banking, this is most important, like which is it was very important through at the time of pandemic. We were doing online transfers. We were withdrawing, if you wanted to purchase something, you have to make an online transaction. Okay, because we cannot pay the money in cash. So at that time we were using online banking. So again, it can be done with the help of internet. Next is, now what are the basic terms in the world of internet? First is www. ये सबसे कॉमन टर्म है. जब भी आप कोई साइट ओपन करते हो तो सबसे पहले आप टाइप करते हो www. What is that www? www is वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब. ये बताता है कि आपकी फाइल्स जो है वो इंटरनेट पे सेव्ड है, वो कहीं ना कहीं ग्लोब में किसी ना किसी सिस्टम पे सेव्ड है, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू एक्सेस अ रिसोर्स from some other system which is saved on the internet. So www is a combination of all resources and users on the internet. तो जितने भी resources हैं, जितनी भी files हैं, videos हैं, audio है और links हैं, ये सब चीजें कहाँ पर saved होती हैं? www पे save होती हैं. Next is web page. वेब पेज एवरीबडी इज ऑलरेडी अवेयर ऑफ. एक वेबसाइट का जो सिंगल पेज होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वेब पेज. द इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर्ड एंड डिस्प्लेड ऑन इंटरनेट बाय www is a form of electronic page which is called as web page. Let's take an example. Okay, so this is a school website and I was showing you assignments over here. Now if I'll click on the URL, इसको बोलते हैं URL. जो एड्रेस होता है, हर वेबसाइट का एक डिफरेंट एड्रेस होता है. So if I'll click on this address, here you can see the name of this page. This is the name of the site, corp30.myclassboard.com. उसके बाद हमारे पास यहाँ पे जो पेज का नेम आ रहा है दैट इज /home/assignments. तो दिस इज द नेम ऑफ द पेज. तो सिंगल पेज को एक्सेस करने के लिए यू कैन गिव दिस रेफरेंस. It means you wanted to open this page /home/assignment. Like if I'll go to some other page, if I'll go to online exams, this page will get changed. corp30 आपका एड्रेस सेम रहेगा, corp30.myclassboard, and then now home/online exams are coming. So this is the name of the page. Online exam is the name of the page. Earlier it was assignments. So this is the name of the page. So every page on a website has an address and which is unique for every web page. ठीक है, कोई भी 2 पेजेस इंटरनेट पे उनका सेम एड्रेस नहीं होता। वेबसाइट क्या होती है? वेबसाइट इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ वेब पेजेस। जब बहुत सारे वेब पेजेस एक दूसरे से लिंक्ड हो जाते हैं, कंबाइन कर जाते हैं, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वेबसाइट। अब जैसे हम इसकी बात करें तो यहाँ पे ये corp30.my क्लास बोर्ड क्या है? ये कोई सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं है, ये कोई ऐप भी नहीं है, ये क्या है? इट्स अ वेबसाइट। इट्स अ वेबसाइट, इट्स नॉट अ सॉफ्टवेयर। इट्स अ वेबसाइट है जहां पे बहुत सारे पेजेस जो हैं वो एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड हैं। वी कैन एक्सेस, we can access our data, we can access our profile, we can access online exams, assignments, we can access all the resources uploaded by teacher from this website. So it's a website which is providing you all these resources. ठीक है, so it's a complete website. So website is a collection of one or more web pages that are related to a person or a business or an organization. यहाँ पर ये सारे की सारे पेजेस जो है किससे कनेक्टेड है? एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। और वो कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है? दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज सीआरपीएफ पब्लिक स्कूल द्वारका. So each page in a web page has an address which is called as URL. अब हर एक वेबसाइट का, हर एक पेज का एक एड्रेस होता है और इस एड्रेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? URL. That is यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर. यूनिफॉर्म का मतलब क्या है? यूनिफॉर्म का मतलब है जो फिक्स्ड रहता है उस वेबसाइट के लिए, कभी चेंज नहीं होता। मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि आज आप इसको इस नेम से ओपन करोगे, कल आप किसी और नेम से ओपन करोगे, तो दिस इज यूनिफॉर्म। ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि तो हमेशा फिक्स्ड रहती है जो चीज, उसको बोलते हैं यूनिफॉर्म। रिसोर्स लोकेटर, तो ये क्या करता है? आपके बहुत सारे रिसोर्सेज जो हैं वो सेव्ड हैं, उनको लोकेट करता है कि वो कहाँ पर सेव्ड है। तो दिस इज, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज URL. एंड दीज आर द वेबसाइट, लाइक स्कूल की वेबसाइट का crpfps.dwarka.com, और जो स्कूल का पहले एटलांटिक था तो तब ये था एड्रेस, अब क्या हो गया है? चेंज होके अब हो गया है corp30.myclassboard.com. So these are the two URLs of the school website. Next is now web browser. Web browser क्या होता है? Using which you can search anything on the computer, on the internet. Because without help of web browser, we cannot do any type of search. So web browser is also very important. It's a software. अब ये क्या है? web browser एक software है जो आपको अपने कंप्यूटर में डाउनलोड करना पड़ता है, and using which you can access internet. Without web browser you cannot open anything on the internet, you cannot do any type of search. तो फोन में और कंप्यूटर में दोनों में हमारे पास ये सॉफ्टवेयर होता है जिसके थ्रू हम इंटरनेट पे कुछ भी सर्च कर सकते हैं. So web browser is a free software program that you use to access internet and view web pages on your computer. The first web browser was Nexus. फर्स्ट वेब ब्राउजर जो था, सबसे पहले जो वेब ब्राउजर आया था ऑल अराउंड द ग्लोब, द नेम वाज नेक्सटस, क्रिएटेड बाय श्री टिम बर्नर ली. टिम बर्नर ली इज द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन. सर टिम बर्नर ली ने इस ब्राउजर की, मतलब सॉरी, नेक्सटस ब्राउजर की इन्वेंशन करी थी. लास्ट थिंग इज इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. इंटरनेट ISP जिसको हम बोलते हैं. whenever you will access the internet from your laptop or mobile, तो उसको एक्सेस करने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? एक कंपनी जो आपको इंटरनेट की सर्विस प्रोवाइड करे. अगर वो कंपनी नहीं होगी तो यू कैन नॉट एक्सेस इंटरनेट ऑल्सो. So ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. That it is a private company or government company that provide you internet connection, internet access to companies, families and even mobile users for a fee. आपसे monthly fees लेते हैं ये, and then they provide you the internet connection. So there are many ISP providers in India like Jio, Airtel, BSNL, MTNL. So these are the internet service provider. और इसके अलावा हमारे पास सीफी ब्रॉडबैंड और एयरनेट, बहुत सारी डिफरेंट कंपनीज हैं जो आपको इंटरनेट प्रोवाइड करती है, इंटरनेट की सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करती है, एंड दे चार्ज फ्रॉम यू ऑन मंथली बेसिस फॉर इंटरनेट सर्विसेज. So these companies are called as ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. So today we are doing only this much. Rest of the chapter we will continue in the next class now. I hope it is clear to everyone what are the different terms of internet, what are the uses of internet,